Kinakabahan talaga, tapos di maalis yung katawan.
Grabe na
Charming.
Wala to siya kinabahan sa mga...
So this song...
When you look at Charm, at you see the cure, biglang ganon, tama.
Pasensya na po. Pero yung iinom lang po ako ng mouthful para lang papasin.
Carry lang, carry.
Para mawala sa...
Hindi naman kami panglangain ng mga pakititure.
Mukha lang kami
Very friendly.
Especially ready? The second song is called The Cure.
For Charm.
Pakinggan nyo na yung lyrics. You're the answer to my questions. Every time I'm bothered, I think of you and smile. Then I see you, and then I hold you. And every time I do, it's so nice. Your touch I'm holding all time. Whenever I'm weak, I turn to you, and you're the one who'll help me through. Whenever I'm weak, I turn to your embrace. And you'll help me through. Whenever I'm weak, I turn to your embrace.
He's a prankster. He posts rin ako doon.
Registering, ha?
So siya pala ang iyong conversion.
Siya yung the cure.
The connect.
Ay, di ba?
The connection.
So, kunyari, tatanggapin ka namin, makakapag-work ka ba with us? Pag Wednesday, mga recording photoshoots.
Kasi po may class po ako ng Wednesday class, lab siya ng 10 to 1. After 1,
Lab?
so,
Kasi...
nabangga ko siya sa floor.
Stay ko ni Kuya Isa, totoo lang si Kuya. Wait, I have to go.
Baka gusto niya mo niya yung
Grabe maka-document si Kuya. Kuya, baka gusto mo kumunay kay Kuya Madaan.
Sabi nila, oh, Dario, try.
How was the audition? Daryl, kamusta?
Naiinis ako kung bakit after the audition, parang dun ako hindi kinakabahan. Pero yung bago, sobrang, nanginginig ako. Tapos after I performed the first song, na-realize ko parang, this is not the best I can do kasi nanginginig ako. Tapos parang, bakit pag ako lang mag-isa sa bahay, sobrang ayos naman.
Hindi, in fairness naman, maayos mo naman na-perform, di ba, Chris? Yeah. Any last words sa mga, if makakakita nung video na to?
Sino pumubol ng video?
A lot. Kung ikaw mapipili, papakita yan sa projector namin. Any last words? Ano yung kumusta experience? Ano masasabi mo?
Exhilarating.
Relax.
And bring charms for relaxation.
Charm.
Thank
you. Thank you.
Ano lang, amulets for relaxation. Saka pray. Saka practice. Kasi hindi ko yung nagawa.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I just put everything together.
Broadcast. Under master.
Ano po yung iba pang course dito? Isa po, di ba? Broadcom at saka Devcom ba yun?
Ay, hindi. Sa ano yun, ibang campus. Dito, Mascom.
Mascom.
College yung Mascom. Tapos ang course. Thank you, bye!
Opo.